guys get for this one? 115, yeah, we're going this way, so it's between the 110 to the 120. This one, 175, and this one, 35. Alright, so this is our definitions for this unit. We have construct, which is to draw a geometric figure that meets specific requirements. A segment is a part of a figure marked off as separate or a finite part of a line. Point we had defined before, a location such as a dot on a paper. It has no size, but it can be represented by a dot. A line is infinite, and bisect is to cut in half. The only one of these that's new is construct. But if you want to write them down, you can. Okay, we have compass. This is a much nicer compass than you'll be using in class. It's a V-shaped device for describing circles or circular arcs and for taking measurements. It has rigid and hind legs, one of which is equipped with a pen, pencil, or other marker. Pencil. The other with a sharp point, keyword sharp, about which the drawing leg is turned. Okay, we use a compass and a straight edge in geometry for constructions, and your straight edge can be a ruler or any straight edge. Yeah, straight edge. Okay, points and lines are undefined, so constructed figures are representations of geometric situations. They're not the actual thing itself. Okay, so given a segment, construct a segment of equal length. Now this one we can do with just a ruler and straight edge. Okay, we can measure the length of the segment and then draw one the same length. Okay. So we use a straight edge to draw a ray within point C. We can do this with a compass. Here, I'll come up there. And then I draw a line through where that X happens. And this is the way I can guarantee that this angle and that angle have the exact same measurement. So let me show you that on paper. Oops, hold on one second. Now I want to construct a segment that is the same length as AB. So I start by just drawing a ray. And I pick an endpoint on it, and I call that C. Okay, and I want CD to be the same length as AB. So I put my point on A, come over to B, and I know that that's how far I need to be. So then I point my C, and I didn't line them up, but they're going to be the same length. And I can go back and check it. 3.
Well, and then the A and B and the C and D is equal, but the D and whatever the other end is going to be the same.
That doesn't matter. We're just trying to construct this part to be the same length as that part. Does that help to see it? Okay, so with the angles, so I'm just going to draw some random angle, and I'm not measuring it, so I don't even know what I'm drawing. I'm just drawing. Okay, so this is angle ABC. And I want to make another angle that's the exact same size as this angle. Okay, so what I do is I start at the vertex. Oh, actually, I start by drawing a ray. Sorry about that. Again, just a random ray. It doesn't matter. Just with some endpoint. And then I go to the vertex of this angle. And it doesn't matter where I go. I just go up. Okay, so, and then I hold this in that same size. And I do the same thing. Oh, I messed up. See what I mean? When they're not stiff, it's kind of hard to do. So this one's a little loose, but I'm holding it. And I do the same thing. And just draw a arc up. Okay, now I have to measure how far it is between here and right there. Can you guys see that? Okay, so to do that, I'm going to come through and make that X. Okay, and that hit right there. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to do the same thing and make an X. And it hits right there. So then to draw this angle, I need to go through that point where the X's cross. Now this angle and that angle are the same. Does that make sense? So that's how you do those. The angle and the segment are the simplest of the constructions. We're going to also be constructing perpendicular lines and parallel lines, but that's all we'll be doing. So let's go back to the computer. Oh, wait, no, not the original. We're going to do also bisector. Okay, so we need to construct a bisector. We put point A and draw an arc with a radius greater than half the length of B. So somewhere, like I think half is right around here. So I want to go past it. So I go, okay, this is bigger than half. Then I start with B, and I do the same size. And I say, okay, this is bigger than half the other way. the on paper. So we'll do a segment bisector first. So first I'm just going to make some random segment. I'm not measuring it. I'm just, actually I'm going to make a shorter segment. Easier. Ignore that bottom line. There, that's my segment. Okay, and I want to bisect, I want to do my segment bisector. So I'm assuming halfway is like right about here-ish. That looks like half to me. Does that look like half to you guys? So I want to go past that point, that little tiny dot that I put. So I go here. This thing is moving. Hold on, I'm going to get a different one. Right, so we'll try it with this one. So I'm putting that dot right inside that hole right there. Do you see that? And I'm coming, I think halfway is, personally, I think it's like right about there. So I'm going to go here. Because that's further than halfway. I know that's further than halfway. And that was this part here where it says 2" R. That's a 2" radius. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the 2" radius here. And that is where my angle bisector will fall. So I come and I line up to those 2 points, and I have now bisected. And I can double check that's roughly 1.5, and same length, 1.5. So there's the segment bisector, your angle bisector. Have an angle, no random angle. We'll call it ABC because that's what we do. I draw an arc. I'll just stick with the 2" because I kind of like that one. Okay, that's D and E. I come in from D, which I'm going to go ahead and make a bigger point so I can find it easier on the compass. And I'm drawing a line in the middle there. And then I do the same thing with E. This point is where my bisector will go. And so now when I draw that line down the center, I've bisected the angle. And I have to say it was way easier with this. You just have to remember which hole you use, which they're marked. So. Any questions on that? So you've got pages 19 and 20. And then
For what?
for homework.
Tonight?
Yeah. And then on the back of page 21. It doesn't have a page number. It says geometry, construction, practice 1.
So not front page 21, just the back?
Yeah, the back of page 21. So basically it's benchmark 8, and then on the back of benchmark 9 is an extra practice for benchmark 8. And I want you to do the odds
On 21?
on all of them.
No.
Yeah. So again, that gives you extra credit opportunity.